We will guide you through how to make vintage effect in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click the Windows Start button on your computer and search for CapCut using the Windows search bar. Launch the CapCut desktop editor and wait until the editing workspace is fully ready. Create a new project or load an existing one, depending on whether you are starting a new edit or continuing a previous project. Import the video you want to give a vintage appearance and place the footage onto the main timeline. Select the video clip you want to edit, then open the Filters section from the editing panel. Use the Filter search bar to look for vintage and browse through the available vintage-style filters. Select a filter that matches the retro look you want and apply it to your video clip. Adjust the filter intensity to control how strong the vintage appearance looks. A lower intensity can create a subtle aged appearance, while a higher intensity can make the footage look more strongly retro. Next, open the Effects tab if you want to add extra retro details to the video. Search for effects such as vintage or old film and browse the available options. Apply a suitable effect to enhance the aged appearance and give the footage additional film-like characteristics. Adjust the effect settings and duration to match your footage, making sure the effect does not overpower the original video. You can shorten the effect duration if you only want the vintage appearance to appear during certain sections, or extend it across the entire clip for a consistent style. Preview the video to make sure the vintage style looks consistent from beginning to end. Fine-tune the filter intensity, effect settings, and duration until you achieve the desired retro look. Once everything looks balanced and natural, play the edited video again to confirm that the vintage effect works smoothly throughout the sequence.